Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little goth girlfriend kind of makeup look. I tried to do a little bit of research into actual goth makeup because so I'm using a e.l.f. concealer. I'm putting that over my face, and then I'm also using a hard candy foundation to make my skin really pale. I'm also setting it with I actually don't know the name of the setting powder. It's got like an orange cap on it. I took it out of its thing and put it into another container, so I'm not 100% sure the brand. But before you do your skincare, before you do makeup, make sure you do skincare. I got some skincare from Yesstyle, so I'm gonna leave my code in the bio below. So make sure you guys do that before you do your makeup, so you have a clean base. And I'm just blending that into my skin. I don't know why I am being so rough on my skin, my poor skin, but I'm just blending that in. A lot of goth makeup, like, you want to have really pale to white skin. You could even use face paint possibly, but I wanted to make it a little more natural, and I'm blending that down on my chin as well. And I'm going in with the Jeffree Star palette, and I'm taking the black, and I'm going to contour with the black on my cheeks. It didn't really turn out that well, because I'm being honest, this is kind of the first time I've done it with a color that dark, and it was really hard to blend, but I mean, that's what I used in the video. And I'm also bringing that up on my temples a little bit to make it look less, rough. And sorry I've been posting that much lately. I've been really busy in her life, trying not to fail my classes. So next I'm taking this little pointy brush. I'm not quite sure what it's for, but it's like a little pointy brush. I'm contouring my nose. I'm taking like a dark deep brown, almost black, and putting that under my nose. I don't really know how to explain nose contour, but like, I'm basically just shaping out the shadows on my nose. That's what a lot of goth makeup is centered around, is just playing with shadows. So I'm also just bringing that up on my sides of my nose to make it look slimmer, and making like button nose thing. I guess that's what it's called. I zoomed in to make it look so you guys can just see what I'm doing. I use my fingers to blend it out because I don't know, I'm just really rough with my skin. But yeah, and then I'm going to bake everything, taking the little flat end of my beauty blender. I'm doing that. Oh, and that palette was the semi-sweet chocolate palette from Too Faced. I'm just baking this. I leave this on while I'm doing my eyebrows, and then I take it off after. I didn't show taking it off, but I leave it on there for like 5 minutes. And for my eyebrows, I'm taking this really tiny brush, and I'm using a black eyeshadow actually, but you can use eyeliner or just eyebrow pencil or whatever. But I'm making my eyebrows really thin and a little bit shorter than I usually do, and I'm making them angled upwards. It was really hard to get them even, honestly, but after that I actually went in like a million different times trying to shape it with concealer. But yeah, I'm just filling that in. I'm literally just using a black eyeshadow. I think I went in with the ColourPop brow gel on the ends to make it look a little more natural. And then for the eyeliner, I'm doing a basic eyeliner. I have an eyeliner tutorial on my account already, so if you guys want to go check that out, you can. But it's just simple eyeliner. And a tip, if you have like semi-hooded eyes or hooded eyes, is to do your eyeliner while it's open. And then I did this little wing on the inside. I kept my eye open when I did that. I'm going so fast, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm basically making these little C shapes. Trust the process is gonna look a little wonky at first, but I'm making these little C shapes, and I'm basically making like a spider web type thing. I don't even know. I was just kind of making it up as I went. But I'm making like the top a little thicker than the rest. I don't know. You guys can like see what I'm doing. I really don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. Oh wait, I use the e.l.f. like little pot eyeliner. It's like $3, I'm pretty sure. It's not the easiest to work with if you're not really that experienced with eyeliner, but I really like that eyeliner. But if you're just starting out with eyeliner, I suggest you use like maybe a brush tip one or a felt tip one. But yeah, I'm just doing that around my entire eye. I only did it really big on my right eye. On my left eye I did it smaller because after I finished that eye I was really tired of it. So yeah, I'm just making the ends of it pointier because I just did like the basic shape really rough, and then I'm doing little pointy ends on the points that I made. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I do that on the underside as well. After I added like these little scratch things on it to make it look more messy, and then I added like these little lines coming off. I don't really know what to call them. I don't know why I added them. I just thought they added more to the look. And then I added one across the top of my eye. And then I basically rinse and repeated on the other side. Oh, not really the same, but you know, the same concept. It looks a little rough right now, but with the rest of the makeup, it looks, I don't know, less dumb. It's not really that good, but I thought it was cool at the time. I don't know. And then I'm taking the eyeliner on the inside, right there. And then I'm taking what I used for my eyebrows, and I'm making like a little line under my eyes to make them look bigger. I don't really know. I don't know how to explain it. It's just what I did. And then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow again, and I'm going to smoke out basically everything. I'm putting it under my eyes and the top of the eyeliner that I did and around the points. I feel like it makes it look a lot better when I smoke everything out because it's not as, I don't know, it just looks better. Trust me. Trust the process. After that, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner, and I'm putting that on my waterline, and I'm putting it on the inner corner of my eye and blending that into the black where I made that second under eye line. And then I'm curling my eyes, and I'm putting on the lashes. I actually let my lashes sit for like 5 minutes, so they're really nice and tacky when I put them on. I was just fixing up my nose contour, and then I put on some black lipstick. I actually use a black eyeliner and a black eyeshadow. I put the eyeliner on first, and then I take the black eyeshadow from the Jeffree Star palette and pat it on to make it matte, because I'm still looking for a good black lipstick if you guys can recommend any. And then I put my lashes on, and then I'm taking the ColourPop Light Sticks highlighter and putting that on my nose and the little tippy top of my nose. I don't think I put any on my cheeks. For this look, I didn't put on any blush or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. For this look, it's not the most extravagant. It's not, I don't know. I just liked it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So, yeah. Also, I came out with merch. If you guys want to check the link in the bio. I would be really epic if you guys would get some, especially the Hello Kitty mask, because, you know, wear your masks because of COVID. Stay safe, lovelies. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for 16K. Like, I love you guys so much. I never thought I would get this big, and I'm so grateful. And I promise I'm going to be posting more this month. And yeah, also, I'm going to start gaming and stuff. So yeah, bye guys!